Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is like the third one I've done tonight, so if I'm wearing the same thing over and over, this is exactly why. If I look the same, that's why. Okay? Alright, so welcome back. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to like it, comment, and subscribe. It helps the algorithm to help me reach more people. And that's what I need, to help more people, just like you. So, let me tell you this. I just bought this Samsung dishwasher. Just made a video review about it. Now I'm going to tell you how to maintain it, okay? Because we don't all want to have problems with our dishwashers, do we? We don't want to be like, oh man, Billy Joe Sue, I've got to go out and clean this dishwasher because tomorrow I've got 8,000 people coming over for a cookout and I don't have a single pot and pan clean and I need those dishes clean. And I don't want to do 35 pots and pans by myself, so I need my dishwasher working. So this is why you do regular maintenance, okay? So let me show you what you do. So, welcome back. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell for more notifications too. Okay, all right. So, on these dishwashers, according to Samsung's documentation, they suggest, well, let me tell you what I would suggest. Once a month, okay, once a month, run a fresh or any other brand dishwasher cleaner packet through the dishwasher, okay? Just once a month. It's gonna help get rid of mineral deposits and any other food deposits in there. It's not gonna be like a catch-all, okay? So if you haven't done this in like 35 years and you throw a packet in there, don't expect it to be miraculously clean, okay? Because it's not. It's not working miracles, okay? It's cleaning the stuff out, all right? It's gonna do a good job, but that's what I recommend. You should do that once a month. Not hard. You buy one of these packs, it's got like 6 tablets in there, okay? Links down below. 6 tablets, twice a year, okay? 2 packs a year. You could do that, right? Just do it once a month. The first of the month, toss it in there, okay? Next month, just toss one in there. Toss it whenever you're cleaning the rest of your stuff. Not gonna hurt it. Be better if you ran it an empty cycle, but anyway, do that once a month, okay? And according to Samsung's documentation for this model, okay, or their dishwashers, you should clean the filters regularly. First of all, you should read your owner's manual for whatever model that you have and follow the owner's manual, but clean the filters regularly, clean the spray nozzles regularly, and what they mean is soak it in distilled vinegar, according to their website, overnight. So take the arms loose, get a big thing, soak it in distilled vinegar, or you can run like 8 ounces of vinegar through the cycle to help clean it too. You should take the nozzle of the filter and clean it frequently because it will build up. And let me show you, because I haven't done mine on purpose in a while. Okay, in a hot minute, guys, on purpose. So I'm gonna take mine loose here, okay, and we'll show you, okay, on purpose. That's what it will look like. That's the stuff that will build up in your dishwasher if you don't clean it often, okay? All right, that's just the big part. The next part is the filter. Yeah, you guys, yeah, I should definitely be wearing gloves. However, you know, it's nasty. That's why you clean it often, because water tries to get through there, makes it more efficient, and eventually what will happen is it will try to suck stuff through there and it gets clogged up in every other part of the dishwasher. And guess what, guys? We don't want that, because then you come to me for problems, right? We don't want to do that, okay? As much as I love seeing you guys here, I don't want you to have problems with your dishwasher, okay? I want you to fix these problems, so I'll get that in a minute. I want you guys to fix these problems with your dishwasher, okay? I don't want to see you back here, okay? Unless it's to watch a new video that I've got out, okay? But anyway, that's it. that's what you need to do. Soak it. First of all, look at your owner's manual, see what it says. Every dishwasher is going to be a little bit different, but for the majority of the Samsungs, they say run some vinegar through it. I would suggest running some fresh through it. Links down below. Yes, it helps the channel. Please. It's okay. It's good stuff, okay? It's good stuff. Especially if you use it on a regular basis. If you're just going to throw it in there once a year, it's not going to do a whole lot, except for on that one cleaning. But once a month, it's going to be good. It's going to help. That's pretty much it, guys. Pretty easy. Dishwasher cleaning tablets and vinegar, and clean your filter and clean your nozzles. Make sure everything's good like that, and wipe down the outside of the dishwasher, the control panel, with like a damp cloth, just to get everything clean, so that way there's no like buildup or anything that's going to damage the buttons and whatnot. That's it. It is not that complicated, okay? So if you keep stuff like the filter clean, it's going to help the rest of the dishwasher stay maintained, and you're not going to get all that gunk and stuff inside the dishwasher, which is going to ruin the expensive parts, okay? That's why they say to clean the filter often. I would say like once a month, but check your owner's manual just to be on the safe side. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like it and comment. Let me know what you think, okay? Thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day. Bye.